All right. Let's do some complexity estimation next. So complexity estimation is really great at using the A to Z pointing methodology, and let's just jump into one so you can get a better understanding here. So let's start off with number. This is at the epic level because it's going to estimate at the user stories. So we're going to validate. But while that's chewing away, if you have any questions, right? We've got the help text over here, and it expands out to give you some more information. And we're constantly building more FAQs and more detail here as time goes on, and we get feedback from our users about help that they need. So feel free to look in there or message us and say, could you provide more information about this workflow or what the system's doing, and we'll put more information in there for you. Okay. So this is saying 2-32 is done. So let's go in there and take a look. So we've got a user story with its description, acceptance criteria, security. We've got a lot of stuff in here. Here we go. So we've got our complexity calculation. So our complexity layers, our discovery, UI, technical layers, middleware, business logic, data structures, pipeline work, the impact, risk, quality, magnitude. So this is a 72 point based on our A to Z story pointing methodology. So not too bad. We've got a lot of middleware work to support this, some business logic. I mean, it is a calculator, so you've got some work to do here. So not bad. Let's do one more. Let's do 2-5. Here, we'll run the quality check. We'll execute the workflow. Again, this will clear up as starts to work on the next work item. There we go. Okay, that says it's updating the issue right now, so it should be almost done. Okay, here we go. Let's go into 2-31 here. Again, we've got our description, acceptance criteria. So here we go. We need some investigation, technical design, maybe a little bit of UI work, more middleware, business. So this is a 41 pointer. Obviously, pipeline work. We've got to get our pipelines together to deploy the software, some integration, data structure work. So you guys technical folks can look at this and figure out if that's accurate or not, but at least it's a starting point. Here you go.